Hello! I'm here with this beautiful man.
Hey.
And this other beautiful man. And this other beautiful man. I know, always. Anyways, this is Dan. Where are you, Dan?
Hey.
My other Dan.
Oh, yes.
This is Black Dan.
Black American Dan, not Canadian one.
African American Dan.
African American.
Oh my, this is actually so cute.
It's cool.
I can't get over this. This is Spanish Jorge. We are at Columbia, what is this? Columbia Flower Market? Columbia Road Flower Market. And I haven't ever been here, and it's actually really adorable.
It's really
so
cool.
I'm kind of like living life.
Now I know.
Oh my god, you guys are like me. Like dogs, ultimate distraction. Okay, oh, Royal Oak. Okay, it's so crowded. Royal Oak Pub, yes. There she is. Smells like fish in here. It like really badly. So now we're inside the Royal Oak Pub to meet up with Krista. And it smells like fish. So, yeah, how are you guys?
I was gonna say we don't have the same haircut
You look
anymore.
beautiful, Christelle. Are we in the past?
It's also glasses. And also right now. No, we are in there. It's also working.
We are in the present. Guys, this place is so cute.
The place is really good.
This place? Apparently this place is very good to eat, but I don't know if there's space. I'm really hyper. Or should we get coffee?
I don't know. Do you want food or coffee?
I want both. I want everything in life. Everything that life has to offer.
They have food there.
Okay, so this road is very small. Lots of flowers. But I can't see the flowers.
In case we lose each other.
Sorry. Daniel, it's called a phone. It's called modern technology.
You know what, Rose?
My favorite Daniel face. Do that again. But what are you gonna do? So we're now at Cafe Columbia.
An anxiety attack.
So they're out of any vegan options. So we just got coffee. And then the guy is a little bit of a miserable man. So he's not very nice. Oh, you got food.
I was like, which one would you recommend? And he looked at it, and I was like, you don't care, do you? He was like, can you tell by my face? And I was like,
Wow. He's like literally the most miserable man I've ever met.
We need to give him a. He needs a.
All right, we've drank coffee, discussed life.
Yeah. Lots
Felt
of different
judged.
elements of life.
Lots of different elements of life. And now we're heading to get some food because I'm hungry.
I'm actually really happy that I've had some really crazy flatmates because it makes for interesting stories.
Yes. I always say, if something shitty happens, at least you'll get a good story out of it. Yes. So we're now in Brick Lane. This place is very busy. Alright, we are now in Brick Lane. So there's like a big market here on the weekends. Okay, so we're gonna get some
I
food.
love Brooklyn so much.
Brick Lane is wonderful. They've got bagels, apparently. There's a lot of random stuff here. £5 for a sweater. So cheap. So we're looking for the vegan food.
It looks very healthy. I don't know how I want to eat it.
I don't want healthy food right now.
I know.
I mean, when do we ever really want healthy food?
Rose, can we focus?
I can't focus. I am distracted by food. Okay, we're looking for the vegan stuff. So I think we're gonna go to the Boiler House, which has a lot of vegan goodness.
I love East London.
I love it.
I think like I just like love it.
East London is the best.
It is.
There's just so much more interesting stuff.
And there's like it's like really edgy and like cool things are here.
Do you want to do Dan Cam?
Yeah, sure.
Actually, we don't have much to talk about, do we?
No. Oh, Rose, you want to get a mask of the Queen?
A what of the Queen?
A mask. Yeah, there's like masks. Anyway, so
You
Rose.
know, as much as I have had a lifelong dream of looking like the Queen, I would rather not.
Yeah. You have
So.
a beautiful face as it is, Rose. God damn. Okay, I think Dan came out.
Dan Cam, you have nothing to report?
I have nothing. What do I have to talk about?
How amazing I am.
I've been spending all week talking about how amazing you are, Rose. I'm tired of it.
Okay, we're gonna get some food.
Because we're hungry as
Boiler
hell.
House, and our friends are walking ahead of
Very
us.
fast.
Yes,
So we need
they're
to catch
walking
them.
very fast. And I am just hungry. I'm very hungry. Oh, there it is. Come on, you guys. What are we you thinking, Krista?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Look, veggie Ethiopian cuisine. That was good. Ethiopian food. I was thinking maybe I should eat something healthy.
I ate, like, literally ordered in breakfast and dinner yesterday.
Why am I not surprised? I knew it. I was like, yeah, Christophe probably just ordered a bunch of takeout.
I did.
I may get some arancini. So Boiler House is this building, huh? Well, it's this building here that I don't know the history of.
Okay.
But there's a lot of, oh my god, there's vegan steaks. What?
How did they do that?
I have no idea. I'm gonna have to look at this. Oh, okay.
1 year yesterday.
Wow, congrats! So I'm getting vegan fungi and truffle cheese steak. Yes, look, I'm getting this.
Oh my god, that looks amazing.
It's vegan steak. What?
Just keep running into people that like
Okay, Daniel got arancini ball, and I'm gonna try a bite.
It's gonna be hot probably. Is it good?
It's really good. Try it. It could be hotter though.
Oh my god, that's so good. Oh my god. God damn it.
Ooh, wait.
Yeah.
Hold on.
I spun in my hand.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
So this is my food.
Your camera's not focusing, Rose. What's going on? Oh, there we go. Yeah. Bite down on that.
Oh, it's so good.
Is it?
There's truffle oil.
Oh, truffle oil.
Amazing.
Look at that, delicious. Look at the steam coming off that. Delicious.
Oh my god.
Are you in heaven right now?
Try some.
Okay.
So Dan got the steak and fries, the large.
if you haven't got anywhere in mind, I suggest Gordon's. So it's like a nice outdoor patio area, but I don't know if I really fancy.
So we are now at this cafe slash bar in Shoreditch. Now I'm filming you.
Are you?
No, it wasn't Insta worthy. Cause you know why? Cause you don't got this beautiful face. Okay, people. We have hydrated somewhat, warmed up a bit, and now we're heading to a wine bar. Is this the way to Spitalfields, Daniel? Always ask Daniel if you're unsure of the road.
We go up here.
He may not be sure of life, but he knows where he's going
We're
in
gonna
terms
make a
of
right-hand-
geography.
Yeah, we're gonna make a right-hand turn when I'll tell you when.
Okay.
In life, not together, direction's perfect.
Oh my god, I can't believe I'm walking in Brick Lane. We're so weird. Okay, so we found this really cute little, yeah, ooh, very nice. And the story will continue once we sit. So this is called Blixen? Blixen. So we're in this very cute and cozy little
Are we?
bar, I think. Blixen. Thank you. Daniel's in denial. Are you in denial, Daniel? Why are you holding my phone? Such a weirdo.
Yeah, it's like really expensive.
All right, we are now out of the very cool bar that we were in, and we're oh, I'm talking to my camera. Say hi. We have a newcomer. She's not used to me just talking to myself on camera. Anyways, people are always like, what is that girl doing with a camera on her face? So we are walking in Spitalfields Market. Everything is closed at this point, but this is a little area in London where you can, I don't know, buy stuff. We're going to some other bar to just, you know, have more drinks and chat some more. You know, what else is new? We very much enjoy our company and the company of wine. So, are they still open? But Dale's at Spitalfields. They're open till 8.
She was an adult.
Yeah.
She just literally pulled her pants to one side and just crouched and weed. Everyone was just like,
How drunk was she?
Yeah, she was very drunk.
Yeah, we can.
We finally left. Daniel's freaking out because he needs to meal prep.
He's a vegan.
I'm a vegan. I'm not freaking out.
I'm not freaking out.
I understand why he's freaking out. He's got to work tomorrow.
It's not just that I have to work tomorrow. It's that I have to work and I have plans every single evening this week too.
So Daniel's gonna tell us a little story about when he was a drunk mess.
Well, me and Rose were just talking about how we liked the seat that's like right by the glass.
Yeah. So that's generally the seat for like it's a priority seat. It's a handicap seat.
So I was saying, Rose, you can sit there, no worries.
That is offensive.
I know, I'm sorry. I'm just kidding. It's like meant for like people that are pregnant or whatever. But anyway, it's a great seat. You can like lay your head against the glass right there.
You see the glass?
Yeah. So I was
It's very comfortable.
Yeah. So I was saying to Rose, I was like, up until last year, I never had any issues like falling asleep on the tube. But basically, now that it's 24 hours, I went out for like drinks and fell asleep on the tube and woke up at the end of the line.
Do you even remember this?
Yeah, I remember. Like I just fell asleep, and then I had somebody waking me up at the end and was like, you're in Epping, and I was like, fuck.
You went all the way to Epping?
Yeah. So it took me 40 minutes to get back.
Epping is at the very end of the
Yeah.
line. And that, my friends, is Daniel.
In a nutshell.
Daniel in a nutshell.